To connect wired headphones to the Z Fold 6, this doesn't work on older phones, and I'll explain why. We first need to buy this USB-C to 3.5mm jack adapter like this. And so we connect the adapter to the phone, and then we connect the headphones to the adapter. Now with Z Fold 6, they detect TRRS and TRS headphones. I'll explain what they are in a second. If you're watching this on an older phone, they do not. So to just summarize this quickly, TRRS is the number of rings. So 1, 2, 3 rings. On Z Fold 6 it's supported, on older phones it's not. TRS is just 2 rings here. So you would need to buy, if you're watching this on an older phone, which some people do, you would need to buy a TRRS to TRS adapter. Now if we Google that on Amazon like this, the Rode adapter is the one you want to buy. So I'm not going to put any links in the description, no affiliate links. This is the one I do recommend. There are other ones if you want. And so you'd connect the 3 ring jack into that port there, and then you connect that 2 ring part into your adapter. So if you get USB-C headphones and they don't work, that's because they are TRS USB-C headphones. There's no adapters which exist which can convert TRS USB-C adapters to TRS, so you just have to buy other headphones. Now my adapter, the reason why I have this one is because if you just have an adapter which is USB-C to headphone, you won't be able to charge the phone while you're connected. So this adapter allows me to connect to the headphones and charge, and also has HDMI and stuff like that. So just keep that one in mind. This is an Anker USB-C hub. You can buy them also on Amazon. Again, I use these products personally. I've used this for years. It's great. No affiliate links. Just if you want to get it, you buy it. Cheers.